Hello and welcome to this channel, and if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. In this video we are discussing about data science. So some of the critical job titles of data science. Machine learning expert. So the machine learning expert is the one who works with various machine learning algorithms used in data science, such as regression, clustering, classification, decision tree, random forest, etc. Skill required is computer programming languages such as Python, C++, R, Java and Hadoop. You should also have an understanding of various algorithms, problem solving, analytical skill, probability and statistics. Data engineer. So a data engineer works with a massive amount of data and responsible for building and maintaining the data architecture of a data science project. Data engineer also works for the creation of data set process used in modeling, mining, acquisition and verification. Skill required. A data engineer must have depth knowledge of SQL, MongoDB, Cassandra, HBase, Apache Spark, Hive, MapReduce, with language knowledge of Python, C, C++, Java, Perl, etc. Data scientist. So a data scientist is a professional who works with an enormous amount of data to come up with compelling business insights through the deployment of various tools, techniques, methodologies, algorithms, etc. Skill required. So to become a data scientist, one should have technical language skills such as R, SAS, SQL, Python, Hive, Pig, Apache Spark, MATLAB. And data scientists must have an understanding of statistics, mathematics, visualization and communication skills. So prerequisite for data science. So first, non-technical prerequisite. Curiosity. So to learn data science, one must have curiosities. So when you have curiosity and ask various questions, then you can understand the business problem easily. Then critical thinking. It is also required for a data scientist so that you can find multiple new ways to solve the problem with efficiency. Then communication skills. Communication skills are most important for a data scientist because after solving a business problem, you need to communicate it with the team. Now, technical prerequisite. First is machine learning. So to understand data science, one needs to understand the concept of machine learning. And data science uses machine learning algorithms to solve various problems. Then mathematical modeling. Mathematical modeling is required to make fast mathematical calculations and predictions from the available data. Statistics. Basic understanding of statistics is required, such as mean, median or standard deviation, and it is needed to extract knowledge and obtain better results from the data. Computer programming. For data science, knowledge of at least one programming language is required. R, Python, Spark are some required computer programming languages for data science. And databases. The depth understanding of databases such as SQL is essential for data science to get the data and to work with data. So this was a brief discussion on data science, and we will be discussing more on data science in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.